What's up everybody, this is Vibhor here. So all of you know that I use Canon M50 for all my video recordings. Now Canon M50 is an excellent camera when it comes to video recording. It has got amazing features. One thing which it really lacks is on the ground of battery. The battery on Canon M50 is really bad. One battery is not enough. I went ahead, wanted to purchase the Canon's original battery. That's roughly $79 for one battery. So what I did is I went ahead and purchased this new MOVA battery. Now it's a cheap battery. This cost me $31 for a pack. This pack contains two batteries, a charger which can charge both the batteries at the same time. Let's unbox this and see is it really good. Okay, so this is the new MOVA battery pack. When you open the pack, you get documentation. Battery charger in which you can charge both the batteries together. A cable to connect the charger to the power source. And you get two batteries. These batteries come in these lovely looking packaging, so you can carry it anywhere you want in this plastic box. This is the battery. So this is 7.5 volt 1400 mAh 10.4 volt hour battery. If I compare this with the Canon's battery is actually 825 milliamp hour. So this is definitely, I won't say double, but almost double the battery of the Canon. Let's try this on the Canon M50 and see if this actually works and how much time this actually gives us. Okay, so I have placed one of the batteries in this Canon and it is actually working on the new battery, the third-party battery. The other battery is with me. If we compare it with Canon, it's absolutely everything is the same. The dimension, the batteries, everything's the same. The only difference is the new battery is actually 1400 milliamp hour. The Canon's old battery is 875 milliamp hour. So yep, definitely almost double the capacity of the original Canon battery. And for $31 I actually got two of them, and I've got a charger on which I can just place it in like this, and I can place both the batteries in there and both of them can charge simultaneously. So that was the quick unboxing, guys, for my new Canon battery. Hope you like it. It's a third-party battery, pretty cheap, does its job, and nothing to complain about. So that's all in this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are into this kind of stuff, and I'll see you again in my next video. See ya.